Hello, how are you? Hope you're all doing well. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to cut a collar. So I'll be using paper to demonstrate to you on how to cut a collar. First of all, you have to know your neck measurement before you can cut your fabric out. I mean the fabric that you need to cut the collar out. I'm working with 15 inches. Now let me mark the length of the fabric, the pattern I have here. This is it. I have nearly 9.5 inches, but the length I have here is almost 20 inches. Let's say 19.75. I'm going to fold it into two. So when I folded it into two, I have 4 3/4 here. You can see it. I have 4 3/4 here. Also, the length is 19 3/4. It's almost 20 inches. For you to cut your collar, because we are learning how to cut a double collar, so you have to fold your fabric into two. You fold it into two this way. You can see it is into two now. I've folded it into two. Can you see it? You fold it into two this way. After doing that, you have to know the measurements of the neckline. So the neckline that I will be working with today is 15 inches. So I'm going to mark my neck circumference. That is, I'm going to divide my neck. Don't forget I said we are working with 15 inches of round neck. Make sure you measure your round neck. So I'll be marking half of the round neck. So I said we are working with 15 inches. So 15 divided by 2, that will give us 7.5. So I'm going to mark my 7.5 here. This is the way you are going to mark it. Okay. You place your tape measure this way. Then you look for the half of your round neck, which is 7.5. So this is my 7.5. Then I'm going to mark half an inch to it. This is the half an inch. Everything will be 8 inches. 7.5 for the half of my round neck. Then half an inch for sewing. After doing that, place your tape measure at the top. Then you come down by 2.5 inches. Come down by 2.5 inches. That's the 2.5 inches. Then where the 2.5 inches stop, come in by 2.5 inches as well. Here's the 2.5 inches. You are going to mark a straight line across it. Having done that, what we are going to do is to connect the line that we marked here, 2.5 inches at the bottom, to meet at the edge of this line. So you are going to connect it this way. Mark a slant line. You mark a slant line. Come up here and mark half an inch. Can you see it? Then you connect it to meet at the edge here as well. So that's what we are going to do now. Having done that, we are going to connect it to meet at the round neck. The round neck measurement that we've marked down here. So we are going to connect the line together. So what you are going to do is to connect it this way. Can you see it? Just connect it this way. Our collar is ready. You have to cut it out. Please, if you are cutting, you have to be careful. Then you cut it out this way. Then you come up here and cut it out as well. You can see it is very simple. So I urge you to cut yours as well. If you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on your notification bell for you to be notified whenever we upload a new video so that you won't miss out. So this is our collar. You can see our collar is ready. You can see it. This is it. So you can cut here out. You can divide the collar into two. So it is very, very simple to cut. So try and cut yours as well. So after cutting it out, what you have to do is to take it to the machine and stitch it, sew it, and attach it to your shirt. So this is it. You can see it is very simple to cut. Very, very simple to cut. So if you love this tutorial, kindly give us thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Till I see you in my next video. Bye.